Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video we're going to assemble the mainframe. We're going to unpackage the slabs and assemble the entire unit. I'm going to start off by unpackaging the slabs. I've now unpackaged the slabs. My configuration is an outswing active right. Here's slab number 1 and slab number 2. I'm now ready to set the slabs on the ground and begin the assembly process. Here's the mainframe header. This is the exterior side of the Z-bar frame. I'm going to start assembling the right jamb to the header. I'll begin by cleaning off the ends of the mainframe, applying my sealant, and then using the provided screws in the hardware bag, I will assemble the right jamb to the header. Remember to hand tighten your assembly screws to prevent damage to the mainframe. For best practice, you can apply sealant to the seam and to the heads of each assembly screw. You're going to follow the same process assembling the left jamb to the header. Here's the threshold of the mainframe. This is the exterior side of your threshold. I'm now ready to assemble the bottom left jamb to the threshold. I'll begin by cleaning off the ends and applying sealant. I'll use the provided screws and attach the left jamb to the threshold. Remember to hand tighten your assembly screws to prevent damage to the mainframe. For best practices, apply sealant to each head of the assembly screw as well as the seam of the mainframe. Follow the same process attaching the right jamb to the threshold. To recap, I've now unpackaged the slabs and assembled the entire unit. In the next video, we're going to install our assembled unit.